Hello everybody, my name is Maria and I am the Infotech educator at Wilson Community Center. Today's activity is squash book. For today's activity, we're going to need template, construction paper, scissors, pencil, markers, and tape. Let's get to it. Alright, the first step is use the construction paper and fold it this way. We're going to make a triangle and we're going to cut at the edge. Now we're going to have a square like this and we're going to fold it in half once and fold it one more time and one more time to make a triangle. Once we open it should look like this. Alright, so our next step is put them together. We are gonna look at the edge. We're gonna put them together this way. We're gonna use our tape and tape it this way. Now, if we fold it, it's gonna look like this. And fold it one more time. Look like that. We're going to do it one more time this way and one more time this way, and now we're just going to fold it and we have a squash book ready. I hope you like this activity and don't forget to look for more activities at NCS Connect.